In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view completed tasks in Asana. Being able to see what's already been finished in a project is really useful, whether you're tracking progress, reporting to your team, or just double checking that nothing has been missed. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple way to reveal completed tasks inside any Asana project, using the built-in filter options. First, make sure you're logged into your Asana account and you're on the main dashboard. Start by selecting the project where you want to review completed work. You can do this from the sidebar on the left, where your projects are listed, or from whatever view you typically use to access your projects. Click on the project name to open it. You should now be looking at that project's main view, usually in a list layout, but this also works in other views like board, as long as you're inside the project itself. Once your project is open, look towards the top area of the screen for the filtering options. Depending on your Asana layout and updates, this might appear as a button labeled Filter, or as part of a toolbar that lets you change how tasks are displayed. The filter controls are usually just above your list of tasks, near options like Sort, View, or Search within the project. Go ahead and click on the filter control. This will open a small menu or panel that lets you refine which tasks you want to see. By default, many Asana projects only show incomplete or active tasks so that your view stays focused on what still needs to be done. But we can easily change that. Inside the filter options, look for the section that controls task status or completion. You should see choices like incomplete tasks and completed tasks, and sometimes an option for all tasks. To specifically view only the tasks that have already been finished in this project, select completed tasks. As soon as you choose that option, the task list will refresh. Now, instead of only seeing what's still open, you'll see all tasks that have been marked as complete in this project. You can scroll through this list to get a clear picture of everything that's been done, who completed it, and when it was finished, depending on the columns you have visible. If you ever want to